Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Crypto.com account to your Phantom wallet by transferring Solana or Sol. So this is the easiest way to move your funds between these platforms so you can use them in the Solana ecosystem, including DeFi or DeFi, NFTs, and staking. So let's get started. So first, you want to open your Phantom wallet. So if you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Phantom application for Chrome, iOS, or Android. Now, once you're in, just select Solana and then tap on Receive. And now you go ahead and copy your wallet address, and we'll need it for the next step. Now let's move on to the Crypto.com application. Now you just have to open the application and log into your account. Once you're in, just tap on Accounts, then go to Crypto Wallet. From here, just find Solana or Sol in the list of the assets and then just select it. Now tap on Withdraw and then select the external wallet. And since we're sending it to the Phantom wallet, here you'll need to paste the wallet address you've copied earlier. So just make sure that you double check the address, as the transactions on the blockchain are irreversible, meaning you can't undo it once you have sent it already. So next, just enter the amount of Solana that you want to send, and keep in mind that you need a small amount of Solana to cover network fees for future transactions. Now, once everything looks good, just tap on confirm, and then Crypto.com may ask for a verification or two-factor authentication 2FA code. So you just have to enter that if required. Now let's go back to Phantom Wallet. Then the transaction might take a few minutes to process, so you just have to be patient. And once it goes through, you'll see that your Solana balance update will be updated inside the Phantom. And that's it. You've now successfully connected Crypto.com to your Phantom wallet by transferring Solana. Now you can use your Solana for staking, for trading, NFTs, and more in the Solana ecosystem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye!